The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which was originally released back in February of 2022, is still an incredibly strong and reliable choice for users today, especially for anyone who is looking for a truly premium and high-end smartphone experience in every way. The Galaxy S22 Ultra features a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a resolution of 1440 by 3088 pixels and a peak brightness of 1750 nits. This delivers vibrant colors and deep contrast, making it perfect for watching videos and gaming. The display also supports HDR10 Plus and offers a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The S22 Ultra features a remarkably premium design, with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both the front and the back, which is seamlessly integrated with a sturdy and polished armor aluminum frame. The device is also IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, which adds to its durability. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S22 Ultra is its built-in S Pen stylus, a signature of the Galaxy Note series. This integration allows for precise input, making it perfect for taking notes, drawing, and navigating the interface. The S Pen features a low latency of 2.8 milliseconds, which greatly enhances the user experience. The high-end Galaxy S22 Ultra is powered by the flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 General 1 processor, which is paired with up to 12 gigabytes of high-speed RAM for smooth performance. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra handles exceptionally resource-intensive applications and complex multitasking with absolute ease. While it performs quite well under most normal conditions, some users might occasionally notice significant heating issues during extended periods of high-performance tasks. This smartphone features a highly versatile quad camera system that includes a powerful 108 megapixel main sensor, which is fully capable of reaching up to an impressive 100 times digital zoom range. This allows users to capture incredibly stunning and high quality photographs in a wide variety of different lighting conditions. The camera's low light performance is truly impressive, often producing remarkably clear images without even needing to activate the dedicated night mode. Additionally, it supports professional grade 8K video recording, which serves as a significant and highly valuable advantage for modern content creators looking for the best quality. The S22 Ultra comes with a powerful 5000 milliamp hour battery. This device provides you with impressively solid battery life that can easily last through a complete busy day of very heavy, demanding use. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is definitely worth considering for users who want a high performance device with unique features like the S Pen and outstanding camera capabilities. Its premium build quality and impressive display further cement its place as one of the top smartphones available today.